Hello everybody, welcome back to Skill Web. In this quick video tutorial, I will show you how to rename your Premiere Pro project. So let's start the video. Now you have to know Premiere Pro doesn't let you rename a project directly while it's open. So you have to close Premiere Pro if your project is currently open. Then go to the folder on your computer where your project file is saved. Project files have this extension. Now right-click the file and select Rename. Type the new name you want and press Enter. So next time you open Premiere Pro, just double-click the renamed file to launch it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro tips.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.